Hello student, welcome to the lecture. Let us start today's point. We have to study today the general character and the external morphology of the animal belonging to the phylum Platyhelminthes. This animal is called as flatworm commonly or called as flukes. The zoological name of this animal is Fascicola hepatica. This animal belongs to phylum Platyhelminthes, class Trematoda, order Digenea, genus Fascicola and species Hepatica. This animal is endoparasitic and complete its life cycle within two host body. First is sheep, maybe cattle, dog, rabbit, pig, or maybe human being also. And other one is the animal belongings to gastropods. In case of external morphology, let us see the shape and size of this animal. This animal is soft, oval, dorso-ventrally flattened and leaf-like. It is about 1.5 to 3 cm long and wide in middle region of the body. This body is tapered anteriorly as well as posteriorly. Anterior end is broad and rounded while the posterior end is bluntly pointed. The color of the body may be usually brownish or maybe pinkish. But the transparent body wall enable us to see the internal organs which looks blackish or brownish in color. Oral cone which is present anterior end of the body forms the prominent conical projection which bearing triangular aperture called as mouth. Two small suckers are present on body. First is anterior and second is posterior. Anterior sucker is also called as oral sucker. It is cup shaped muscular organ and with mouth situated at the center. It is about 1 mm in diameter and it acts as a ideal suckers organ which is serving for adhesion and for ingestion. Second is the posterior sucker, also called as the ventral sucker or acetabulum. It is about 3 to 4 mm in size. It is present behind the oral sucker. It is a bowl-like adhesive structure present mid-ventral side of the body and without any aperture, which helpful for the adhesion. About 3 apertures are present on the body. First is mouth, which is situated at the center of the oral sucker. Second is gonopore, which is small and common genital aperture. It is situated in mid-ventral side of the body or little in front of the acetabulum. Third one is the excretory pore, which lies at the posterior end of the body. Sometimes the Lesueur canal shows the temporary opening which is present on dorsal side of the body, which is the little anterior opening and opens only during the breeding season. The body of the liver fruit is covered with the tubement called as tunicles, which forms backwardly directed microscopic scales. These scales protect the body and anchor the body to the wall of the host, bile duct and help in locomotion.